Hi children, good morning. This is our second session, lesson number 1. I hope you completed the given homework neatly. Now let's check the answers of worksheet 1. First of all, count the number of objects and write the number in the box. Here, count the stars 1, 2, 3. Write the answer here 3. And here how many rectangles are here? 1, 2. 2 rectangles. Write the answer. Here flowers, count the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Write 5 here and write triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. All of you got the answers? Next question. Write the numbers from 0 to 10. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Next question. Write the number names. First answer already given. What is the spelling written? 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. Now 0. Z-E-R-O 0. For 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. Next question 9. What is the spelling of 9? N-I-N-E 9. 8 E-I-G-H-T 8. Last one is 4 F-O-U-R 4. Are you completed? Now question number 4. Write the numbers for the number names. Here spelling given. You have to write the numbers in figure. 6, 6, 0, 0, 10. How to write 10 in figures? 1, 0, 10. 1, 2 and 5. Did you complete? Question number 5. Make the circles for the numbers. Here first question 7. You have to draw circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Second question 3. 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. Next 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last number is 2, 1 and 2. Question number 6. Write missing numbers. First one 0, 1, 2. Second number 4. After 4, 5, 6, 6, 7. Here 2. After 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. 6, 7, 8 and 9. My dears, next topic is odd number and even number. We can understand odd number and even number by using dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For 1, 1 dot. For 2, 1, 2 dots. For 3, 1, 2, 3. For 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. For 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. For 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10.
Mummy.
The dots which represent numbers left over or stood alone are called odd numbers. Here, which are the odd numbers? Here odd numbers are 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Odd numbers clear? Now next, even number. What is even number? Dot which represent numbers and remain in pair are called even numbers. Here, which are the numbers? Here, even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Children, listen our new topic, odd numbers and even numbers. What is odd number? The dot which represent numbers left over or stood alone are called odd numbers. Just look here and understand. For 1, how many dots are there? Only 1 dot. It stands alone, so it is called odd number. Or here see the 3. For 3, how many dots are here? 1, 2, 3. One number, 1 dot is stood alone. That is why 3 is odd number. Next number. Now look 5. How many dots are here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2 dots stand in pair whereas 1 dot is alone. So 5 is an odd number. Like that 7. Now look 7. 3 dots stand in pair and 1 dot stands alone. So 7 is also an odd number. Here 9 also a odd number. And next. Now even number. What is an even number? Dot represent number remain in pair are called even number. Now look here. Now look for 2. For 2, how many dots are here? 2 dots. 2 dots stands in pair. That is why 2 is called even number. Now check 4. 4 also stood in pair. Here 6, 8 and 10. These numbers are called even numbers. Is before, after and between number. Just count the number from backward, that is 10 to 0 and recite loudly. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Write it in the notebook. Leave 3 columns. Write again 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. What is before number? Before number is one smaller than the given number. One smaller than the given number. Then the given number. That means if we subtract means minus. If we subtract 1 from the given number, we get its before number. For example, before number, before number of 3 is dash. With the help of a number line, we can understand before, after and between number. This is number line. What is the question? Where is 3? Here 3 is here. Then 1 smaller than the given number. That means we have to go backward. We get 2. So before number of 3 is 2. Understand? Before number of 3 is dash. With the help of a number line, we can understand the before number. Here 3 is here. So 1 smaller than the given number. When we subtract 1 from a given number, 1 subtract from a given number, we get its before number. Before number. 1 subtract, that means. For example, before number of 3 is dash. See, where is 3? 3 is here. We have to jump 1 step back to get before number. Here before number is 2. Before number of 3 is 2. Now next one is after number. After number. What is after number? After number means 1 greater than the given number. Greater than the given number, or add 1 to given number, we get its after number. So for example, after number of 5 is dash. Now draw a number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. See, what is the question? What is the after number of 5? Where is 5? 5 is here. We have to jump 1 step to forward. We get 6. That means add 1 to given number. Here given number is 5. Then add 1. 5 plus 1, 6. That is the after number of 5. So, after number of 5 is 6. Next is between number. Between a number. Between number. For example, what is the between number of 4 and 6? 4 and 6. With the help of a number line, we can understand the between number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Here, see, listen the question. What is the between number of 4 and 6? See the number line. 4. Where is 4? 4 is here. And 6. 6 is here. Then the number stands in middle. Between number means middle number, which stands middle. The number stands between 4 and 6. That is 5. So, the between number of 4 and 6 is 5. Clear? See, listen. Between number, that means middle number. See, for example, what is the between number of 4 and 6? See the number line. Check where is 4 and 6. Then understand which number is in the middle. Here, middle number of 4 and 6 is 5. So, the between number of 4 and 6 is 5. Now, take out your notebook. It's time of our worksheet. Sheet number 2. One, circle the even numbers. Which are the even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Circle these numbers. 5 is a even number? No. 6 is an even number? Yes. So circle 6. Then 1 is an even number? No. 4 is an even number? Yes. Circle 8. And 3 is an even number? No. 10 is an even number? Yes. 10 is an even number. So circle 10. And 2 is also an even number. Circle 8. 9 is not an even number. Circle the odd numbers. Odd numbers. Here, check the numbers here. Which are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Here, first number is 4. 4 is an odd number? No, it is not an odd number. Next is 9. 9 is an odd number. 2 is not odd number. Sorry. 2 is not odd number. Next number is 0. 0 is not odd number. Next one is 3. 3 is an odd number. And 7 is also an odd number. The next number is 4. 4 is an even number. So, next number 1. 1 is an odd number. And 5 also an odd number. Circle the numbers. Question number 3. Write before number. Question number 1. before number of 4. That means 1 minus from 4 we get 3. 3 is the before number. And 8, before 8, 7. Before 10, 9. Before 2, 1. Before 9, 8. Before 3, 2. Clear? Question number 3. Write after number. First question. After 0, just next number. After 0, 1. After 8, 9. After 6, 7. After 7, 8. After 2, that is 3. And after 9, that is 10. Question number 5. Write between number. Here what is the first question? Between number of 4 and 6. Middle number 4. After 4, 5. After 3, 4. After 8, 9. After 2, 3. 0, 1, 2.